we doing, John?
John Boy's turn.
Stunt.
Got the long sleeves to preserve the market.
Anything you want to say to your dad? I was not responsible, anything like that? Alright, pulling the clutch. This is the clutch. Pull this in. Have you ever noticed, Dick? No. Cycle. Oh shit. Remember, don't let that clutch out. Easy clutch out. Easy. See? There you go. Don't get cocky. Are you alright?
John, are you alright?
Are you alright? You're good.
Breathe?
You're good. That's what it feels like, John. You got a little road rash.
John, you're good. You're good. You're good.
You're good. That's rash. Don't worry about it.
That ain't shit, dude. That ain't shit.